All right, so let's get to our next robot. So the next robot that we have here on deck is this guy right here. This is Eiliko. Now, most of you guys have probably seen one or another variation of this robot from the same company. This is a smaller variation, more portable. It also has chat GPT interactions. It can chat, but okay, let's just unbox it and see exactly what comes in the box. So, how do I want to do this? Okay, so I need to capture this somehow. So let me switch back to the robot camera view. And let me move a couple of these guys out of the way. Louis, can you stay back there for a second, buddy? All right, let's push Louis back here. Yeah, this is not going to work. I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to have to redo this tomorrow. That's okay. It's not a big deal. I'll just redo it tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up anyway, just so you guys can see what we get. All right. So here's the box that you get. Now, the robot itself is very affordable, guys. This guy is only $59.90. $59.90 for this little robot. Okay. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and pull the little tab right here. There we go. Let's open the box. And what do we find? We find a box in the box. So this is the actual box that the robot comes in. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And the box also gives you some instructions. It shows you here, the different ways you can interact with it. So you do have an AI chat. You have some shake features, press features, tap features, and you can pair this up like penguins if you get 2 of these. Now, if you do get 2 of these, be advised, these can only pair one time. So if you get 2 of these and you pair them together, you'll never be able to pair them with another robot. You'll only be able to pair it one time, just like penguins when they choose a mate. And now these also come. It doesn't come with, but you can also purchase these spin kits. And each one of the spin kits have different bodies for the robots. And you can switch out those bodies. And then each body has a different personality, different facial features, all of that kind of stuff, right? So these come in 2 colors. You're going to get the white with blue, and then there's a white with pink here as well. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let me find something sharp that I can cut the plastic with. And I know I got a knife around here somewhere. You would think, as much as I talk about blades and things, I would have a knife right here that I can grab. I found some scissors, so this is going to have to do. All right, how is that put on? Is there an easy way? Okay, I don't see an easy way. So I'm just going to cut the plastic. There we go. All right, there we go. So the plastic is cut. And let me try to push all this stuff back in my desk. All right, so we don't need that box. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we're just removing the outer plastic. As you guys can see, there's another little tab right here at the top that you're going to pull to open this as well. All right, so let's do that. So here's our little tab. Boom, just like that. All right, so now we can pop this guy open. Hopefully everybody can see everything. And this comes in a little clear container. And I'm going to try to get in here so you guys can see. So here is the robot. And that's everything that's in the box, okay? So the robot also comes with some accessories. So you receive a starter manual. Now this is very colorful. You can kind of go through this. It'll show you everything that you need to do to get Eiliko set up, USB cable, the manual, the different parts of the body and how they work. I'll show you guys those as well. Some of the facial features, what those look like, and how you can get this robot to respond. So this is pretty much what the manual looks like, okay? All right, so also... So it doesn't give you a QR code for the app, but that's okay. I can still get the app. So let me go download the app. All right, so let me log in with this phone and go to the App Store. App Store. And the app is called wait a minute, what is it? Okay, let me find it first. Make sure that's the right one. So I don't want to tell you guys it's the right one and it's not. There it is. Okay, I found it. I think that is it. Yes, that is the app. Weird icon, but that's okay. All right, my phone keeps connecting to my computer. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. I might have to use a different phone. Okay, there we go. All right, so it started to download. So as soon as we get the app installed, we should be able to get this guy set up. Of course, you have to set up profiles. So let me do that real quick. Hold on, give me a second. So this is what it's like, guys. This is, literally this easy to set these little robots up. So let me get this all done. So you're going to enter your email account, and then you're going to send a request for a code. The code's going to come to you via email. So let me get the code here real quick, and then I can there it is. Let me save the code, copy, and go back, enter code, paste, and then log in. All right, so now we're logged in. So now it's going to start searching for the robot. So I'm going to allow it to search, and we're going to connect. It'll show up right here, the robot right here. You just click on connect, and it should have connected. Yes, it did. I'm sorry. Allow while using. And at this point, you can set up your Wi-Fi, which is important. So you need to also know your Wi-Fi password, which I am doing right here. And we're connecting. So I'm connecting it to my Wi-Fi so it'll be able to talk. All right, so that should have been connected. You guys should see right there. It's doing a little Wi-Fi signal thing here. We're going to tell it to save. We're also going to bring the volume all the way up. Now, this is probably all you're going to really need this app for. So once you have this done, you're pretty much good to go. And let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, so the rest just talks about the spin kits, and there's very little else there. You can click on these, and it'll tell you about each one of the little spin bodies and what they do. But that's pretty much all the app actually does. Let's go into the settings and see if there's anything else. Check memory, check for updates. Okay, so we need to check for an update because I've seen a few people say that this needed to be updated before they could get all of the features out of it. So it is checking for an update as we speak. So we'll give it a few seconds to see if it comes up with something. And you guys should see, well, you can't see that. Hold on, let me show you. So you can see what the eyes look like. They're kind of like a rainbow effect. So right now it's just kind of listening. But to get it to talk, you're still going to press and hold this button each time you say something to it. So let's try that right now. Hello.
Hello, I am Eiliko. It is Nisito meet you. I'd like to chat with you,
Louis, Louis, no. This is your friend. This is your friend, Louis. Do not attack, okay? Do not attack. This is your friend. Eiliko, say hello to Louis.